friends, welcome back to my channel and thanks so much for watching. Today we're doing kind of an impromptu video, a little different than I've done some other ones recently, but I wanted to do a little updated like curl routine with you guys. These curls are very loose, very flowy. I'll show you guys kind of a, if I can, like a 360 in a second. Now that my hair is getting a little bit longer, I definitely have changed up the way I curl my hair, and I'm gonna link everything below for you guys in the description bar that I used. Heat protectant, hairspray, texture spray, curling iron, a similar curling iron, all of it. And I do want to say that I filmed that yesterday, and then today, this is like second day because I wanted you guys to really see how it lasts. And honestly, I only had to recurl like these front pieces this morning because these tend to like make or break my hairstyle and they never stay curled. So like I said, everything's gonna be linked below for you guys. And also just a little update. So I am, let's see, at this point my son is almost 6 months old, so I'm almost 6 months postpartum. Hair loss started at 9 weeks postpartum. I told you guys I was taking liquid collagen starting in late June, and you can take liquid collagen and you can promote growth while you are still losing hair. Don't let people tell you that you can't, because that's not true. You can't stop the hair loss, but you can promote growth in the meantime. So my hairline is a little bit crazy. I've got all this regrowth here. Like all of this is like baby hairs. I don't even think it's long enough to really push down, but it is causing my hair to be fairly flat. So for the time being, no texture spray is really gonna help me, because also I feel like my hair is super heavy. So I did just wanna make sure I like covered that postpartum, my hair just feels like super heavy and I have a lot of like regrowth happening. So it's been a wild ride, but this is what my hair looks like day 2. And then let's go ahead and get into the hair tutorial. So I will link this heat protectant in the description bar below for y'all, but I actually recommend using one on your wet hair, and I'll link the one that I use on my wet hair as well. You can never be too careful. So I just sprayed that on and then brushed it out. I usually section my hair in 2 to 3 sections before I start curling it. And this is the T3 curling iron that I've talked about and used for years, I think 2 years at this point. It is one of the best curling irons because you can set it to your hair, and not every person's hair needs the same heat. So that's why I'm totally about this one. But I just use kind of I call it the unwind method when I'm curling my hair. I'll show you guys slower in 1 second, but basically I curl my hair like normal. Unwind, curl, and then instead of using a straightener, what I'll do is just pull the last like inch or so of my hair out of the curling iron. That way I'm not having to use multiple tools. So you can see me do it here. I just take a little bit of heat to it to get the frizz out. I curl it like normal, and then I unwind, curl, and then pull it straight down. I do this throughout, again, just adding a little bit of heat first before curling helps any frizz, and then it kind of makes a wave more than a curl. And I know I could use a curling wand, but I don't always love curling wands just because they do require more effort. And also, if you want your curl to look a little bit more finished, you can just leave that last little inch or 2 in the curling iron, but I call those like prom curls, so I will only wear those if I'm going to a nicer event, but for just day to day, I really prefer that like last little inch or so to be left out of my hair. And I know your hair is going to look crazy, but don't touch the curls. Let them completely cool down. I usually let them cool down for like 10 to 20 minutes. This last little front piece, I usually start the curl a little bit lower there because I think it just looks a little bit better, a little bit more natural. And then after about 20 minutes or so, when my hair is cold, I will just run my fingers through it before spraying all of the product in it. This is going to break up those curls. You guys, run your fingers through your curls. Run your fingers, run a brush, brush those curls out. It looks so much better, even if you don't leave that last 1.5 inches like straight. It just makes such a difference. Then I will spray my hair, and again, my hair is so heavy right now and just going through so many changes with the postpartum regrowth. So texture spray, you know, I use it. It doesn't make a huge difference. It more helps the second day than the first, but I just am at a loss for texture right now because my hair is so heavy. But that is it for the curls. I'll show you guys a full 360. It looks so good and just so easy and lightweight. I'm gonna show you guys a little 360. I didn't curl any of this morning. I did sleep with it up in like a very, very loose ponytail last night. And then again, I actually did recurl like these front pieces because they literally will be stick straight. So this is what my hair looks like day 2, and this will last me until I wash it again, and I only wash my hair on Wednesdays and Sundays. So lasts for a very long time. Hope you guys liked this video. Hope it was helpful. Just very simple, just easy. Like pretty loose waves are like my staple, my go-to, and have been for many, many years. So thank you guys so much for watching. Love you so much, and I will see you in my next video.